Hello everyone, and welcome to Amazing Aviation. Today I am going to be doing a triple model airplane unboxing and review. The first model is a Gemini Jets Qantas Link Airbus A220-300. The box has a detailed image of the plane and the Gemini Jets logo. Opening the box, the aircraft was secured in a separate box and covered with additional materials. The inside of the box also featured general details regarding the aircraft and its history. After lifting the cover, the model aircraft's color looked incredible. This aircraft looks fantastic and very realistic. The proportions are detailed, and at the end of the video, I will compare all three different types of model aircraft to really exhibit the perfect sizes. The model features intricate details, even of tiny aspects such as the antennas, cockpit windows, and the satellite communication antenna dome. The bottom of the aircraft also has fine details near the engines, landing gears, and wings. In this model, the wheels do not move. However, wheels on other models do. This is what the model aircraft looks like on a taxiway in my model airport. The next model is a Gemini Jets Atlas Air Boeing 767-300ER. Similar to the previous model, the box has a detailed image of the plane and the Gemini Jets logo. While opening the box, it was immediately recognizable that the aircraft model was significantly larger than the previous one, which displays the massive size difference between the A220 and 767. The inside of the box also consisted of details regarding the aircraft and its history. The model has excellent details. One noticeable difference would be the blended winglets on the 767. I personally preferred the details on the backside of the A220 more than the 767, primarily due to the engine designs. However, one major positive of this aircraft are the moving wheels and adjustable landing gear. While taking photographs of the model airplane in my model airport, I noticed that the tail section had a very slight sideways tilt. This barely affects the model overall, which is really great. This is what the model aircraft looks like on a taxiway in my model airport. The third and final model is a Gemini Jets Air France Boeing 767-300ER. The box is significantly larger than the previous two model aircraft. While it has a detailed image of the aircraft, the Gemini Jets logo is on the back side of the box. This model also has a larger quantity of protective material. The inside of the box did not feature the history of the aircraft or as many general details. However, the length, wingspan, and height are displayed. Additionally, these details are written in French due to the airline being Air France. The colors and shine on this model are incredible. Every detail on this aircraft is perfect. I especially appreciate the realistic windows, doors, and livery. windows and nose perfectly resemble that of the actual 777-300ER. One major positive of the backside of this aircraft were the extremely smooth landing gear and wheel movement, the smoothest of the three aircraft. The model airplane did have one tiny crack beside one of the antennas. This is only visible if looked at very closely or zoomed in. Therefore, it is not an issue. This is what the model aircraft looks like on a taxiway in my model airport. To conclude, here is a comparison of the size of the models. These models are all 1/400 scale models, and the proportions are extremely accurate. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more amazing aviation videos.